Hello everyone. So this is the third part of our ratio and proportion. Till now what we have done, we started with ratio and proportion. We learnt about how to find combined ratio, correct? Some very basic of what is ratio, what is proportion. That was the first video. Second video that we did was about doing some basic questions. Now questions that we'll be doing today will be a little better. So you can call them advanced questions, though I won't call them advanced questions. They're still fairly simple, but anyway, at this level, this is advanced question. Okay, now let's get started. Let's do some good questions. So now let's do this. So first is this question. It says a bag contains 1 rupee, 50 paise, 25 paise and 10 paise coins in the proportion 1:3 ratio, 5:7. If the total amount of money is 22.25 rupees, find the number of coins of each kind. Okay, now what it says, it is like you having a wallet. In your wallet you have different kind of notes, correct? Those are of different values, correct? Now all these different values are there. Sum total, you know that in my wallet I have this much money. So in this wallet that he is talking about, he has sum total of this much money, but this much money is actually made from a combination of different types of coins, correct? So those are also given. Then you are being asked how many coins of each kind do you have. Okay, let's see. So it says a bag contains 1 rupee coins. Okay, so 1 rupee and then 50 paise, 25 paise, all this. Okay, so total money is what? 22.25 rupees. Now if you see, everything else is in paise, 50 paise, 25 paise, 10 paise. So what we should do, we should rather convert this into paise. So this becomes 22.25 rupees. That means into 100 for paise. So it becomes 225 paise. So this is the total amount of money. This is the total amount of money. Now let's go step by step. So it says what? First thing, 1 rupee. 1 rupee. 1 rupee means what? 100 paise. How many he has for 100 paise? How many 100 paise coins are there? It says they are in proportion 1:3 5:7. So what I can assume? I assume that, let's say, 100 paise or 1 rupee coins are X in number. Fair assumption. I don't know the value, so I assumed it X. Then tell me then what is the number of 50 paise coins? If this is X, then this is 3X, correct? 1:3 5:7. So 50 paise coins will be 3X. Next is 25 paise. So 25 paise, how many you will have? You will have 5X. Next is, after 25 paise, you have 10 paise coins. And how many do you have of 10 paise? You have 7X, correct? Just by following the proportion. Now what is the total amount of money that you have? Total amount of money will be what? It will be simply multiplication of this. So he has 50 paise coins. How many coins? 3x coins of 50 paise. So what is the total amount that he has in 50 paise? 3x into 50p, that is 150 x paise, correct? Similarly here what he'll get? He'll get 100x paise. Next is 25 into 5, so 125x paise. And last is this 10 into 7, so 70x paise. You got all of them, correct? Now see, once you get all of them, now see, total money is what? 225. So sum of all these must be equal to 225. So let's add all of them. So this becomes 100 plus 150. 100 plus 150 is 250. 250 plus 125 is 375. 375 plus 70 is what? 375. And see, 375 plus 70 will be equal to what? 445. So this is actually 445x paise. This is the total amount of money, 445x. Now, according to the question, this 445x is equals to triple to 5 paise. So I have removed paise on both sides because this is also sum total, this much paise, and this has to be triple to 5 paise. So 445x is equals to triple to 5 is what you get. Now, for some people, for some students, they stop here, that they are not able to see this big numbers. So what you can do, if you're not seeing it directly, you can just start cancelling out. You can see 5 is a factor, correct? 5 is a clear factor. So what you do, you cancel it out like this. So this goes 8 times, 4 remains. With 45 this will go 9 times, correct? 89x is equals to, now this is what, this goes 4 times, then 2 remains. With 22 again 4 times. With 25 this will go 5 times. So it becomes 89x is equals to 445, correct? Then any other number that you can think of that will cancel these out, 89 and 445. Okay, so now 89 is a prime number, so you have to go 89 into what will be 445. So you can feel this, that 89 into 10 is what, 890. What is 89 by 2? What do you think is 89 by 2? 890 by 2. 890 by 2 is actually 445. That means 89 and 445 goes how many times? 1 time and 5 times. So x came out to be 5. Once you get x is equals to 5, it is asking you number of each of these coins. So you can get it very directly. So x is equals to 5. That means number of 1 rupee coins. Number of 1 rupee coins is equals to 5. Similarly, number of 50 paise coins is equal to 3x, that is 15. Number of 25 paise coins, that is 5x is equals to 25. Number of 10 paise coins is equals to 7x, that is 35. So these are the number of coins of each time. Understood? Okay, then let's move to next question. Let's see this one. Okay, so these are miscellaneous questions. Now it says the sum of squares of 3 numbers is 133. Okay, and the ratio of the first to the second and also of the second to the third is 2:3. Okay, so that means if there are 3 numbers A, B, C, it says that the sum of the squares of all these 3 numbers is 133. That means what? A square plus B square plus C square is equals to 133. Correct? This is the first thing that is given. Let me write a 3 in a more beautiful way. Yeah. So A square plus B square plus C square is equals to 133. Now, the ratios are given to you. So A ratio B is given as 2:3. Also it says you that B ratio C is actually also 2:3. Then what will be the combined ratio? Combined ratio of A, B, C will be what? This is 2:3. This is also 2:3. Now, what you will have? You will have a repetition here. You remember combined ratio, first video, correct? So if you have 3 here, you will have 3 here also. If you have 2 here, you will have 2 here also. 2 into 2 becomes 4, 3 into 2 becomes 6, 3 into 3 becomes 9. So this is 4, 6, 9. Understood? So 4, 6, 9 is the ratio of A, B and C. Now if this is their ratio, what I can assume, just by understanding the ratio, I understand that A can be written as 4x, B can be written as 6x and C can be written as 9x. Now I put these values in the first equation, that is sum of squares is equals to 133. So this becomes 4x whole square plus 6x whole square plus 9x whole square is equals to 133. Now 4 square is 16. 16 plus 6 square is 36. 16 plus 36 will be 42. 52 plus 9 square is 81. So 81 plus 52. What do you get? 3. 8 plus 5, 13. So you get 133 only. So what you got is 133 x square is equals to 133. What will happen? 130 and 133, 133 and 133 cancels out. What you get is x square is equals to 1. Now, of course, these are positive numbers. Okay, if these are positive numbers, then I can safely assume that x is equals to 1. You can also say that maybe they are negative. That is also fine. Same numbers you'll get, just in plus or minus. So x square is equals to 1 or x is equals to 1. Now, if x is equals to 1, it is asking you what is the third number. So third number is what? Third number is actually c. C is equals to 9x. If x is equals to 1, c is equals to 9. So this becomes your answer. Understood? Simple? Okay. Then next. Yeah, let's try this. So what it says? Fairly easy. It says 48 rupees is divided among A, B and C in such a way that A receives 4 more than B. So A receives 4 more than B. So whatever B got plus 4. Now next is and B receives 7 more than C. B receives 7 more than C. So that means B is whatever C got plus 7. Correct? B got whatever C got plus 7. Now, if this is so, I can also write A in terms of C. Can you see how? A is equals to B plus 4. So, this is C plus 7 plus 4. Correct? In place of B, I have written C plus 7. So, A becomes C plus 11. Now, if A is C plus 11, what you can say? If A is C plus 11, then you have all the three values. A is C plus 11, B is C plus 7 and C is of course C. Now it is given that the sum total of them was actually 48. So 48 is equals to A plus B plus C. So that means what? A is what? A is C plus 11. So this is C plus 11 plus B is what? C plus 7. So this is C plus 7 plus C. And this whole sum is equals to 48. So that means 48 is equals to 3C plus 7 plus 11 is 18. So it is 3C plus 18. That means what? 3C is equals to 48 minus 18 is equals to 30 or C is equals to 10. Understood? So you got the value of C as 10. Now you have A and B also. A and B also you have. So what will be A? A is C plus 11. So that means A is 21. What is B? B is C plus 7. So 10 plus 7, that is 17. So what is the ratio of A, B and C? Clearly A is equals to 21. So A is 21, correct? B is 17, correct? C is 10, correct? So answer becomes B. 21, 17 and 10 are the ratios. Understood? Okay, so that's it for this one. In the next video, we will start seeing different kinds of ratio based question. When ratios are being changed, how do you find it using ratio points? That will be the next thing that we'll learn. Understood? That's it. Thank you.